Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've ever wished you had an extra pair of hands or maybe a little extra muscle when you're doing your yard work, you are definitely gonna love this Chore Warrior wheelbarrow. This electric powered wheelbarrow really lives up to its name. It makes the toughest jobs way easier and saves you so much time and energy. This thing is heavy duty, made from a steel frame with a 350-pound capacity. It is equipped with a powerful 24-volt battery operated motor that can actually last up to 8 hours. It's so easy to operate with a simple push button to switch from forward to reverse and a throttle lever to control your speed, and you're off. I have been absolutely amazed at how easily this propels itself forward even when fully loaded. I love how simple this makes bringing your materials right up to your project without tons of trips back and forth. For me, it really allows me to get so many things done without having to ask for help moving heavy items or pushing them up a hill. Imagine easily pushing 200 pounds of concrete up a steep hill with ease. Well, I was able to do it with no problem. This 6-foot cubic poly tub also provides plenty of room to haul all kinds of things. The rugged 15-inch tires easily traverse uneven terrain, and the curved dump brace makes it easy to empty out. The assembly took us about an hour with clear, simple instructions, even had a great tip to just loosely tighten all the bolts until you place the tub on. Then you can really tighten everything up to get a great fit. If you do have any issues, their US-based customer service is super responsive. You can call them and actually speak to someone right away. So I cannot say enough great things about the Chore Warrior. It is absolutely amazing. It is a must-have if you've got yard work to do, and that's my point of view.